Hello guys, today my plan is to repair my Weber that is totally rusted off. So let's proceed and clean the areas and then start welding. Okay, I'm down to 40 amps now for the thin plate. But I managed to get it all nice fixed up. I don't worry about the holes. I touch it in areas where it does matter. Okay, so now for cleaning and put this other part in. Okay, let's touch it up with a little bit of black paint. Okay, that side. Good. Okay, now for wiggle this part in. Okay, that's difficult. Okay, I managed to get it in. And now I need to bend this part under the legs in so that it sits secure there. Okay, what I'm going to do now is bend this nice and round for the bucket to fit. Well, actually it works well. %. Okay, and this is the vent part, looking nice. Okay, now I think all that is left is turn it over and give it a nice pressure wash. Okay, this is now about midway. The 3 legs is secured, stand up okay, and you can see very dirty. We will look at the after picture. I've got the grills cleaned up as well. This is some oven cleaner. I took my Ryobi pressure washer out, and then I remember my hose pipe is full of cracks, so the pressure won't build up sufficiently. So I'm going to clean the Weber with hand. Okay. All the dust. Okay, gentlemen, and this is a after look of my Weber, fully installed and fixed, and this looks actually very clean and nice again. Okay, now for the next project. Okay, gentlemen, this was my project for yesterday. I tackled my workshop slash braai area, barbecue area. I cleaned it up nicely, all the tools is packed away, or at least that is sorted out. The floor is clean, and the only thing I need to do is sort out my tools there. But everything, the whole room was filled with equipment and tools and electric stuff. But I would like to show you my built-in braai. This, you can see it's totally flat against the wall now. It's folded up and away, and there's my openers, bottle openers. And let me demonstrate to you how my barbecue works. Flip this part up, and then on this side is a latch. It should drop. Okay, and this belongs to the Weber. I will go to the Weber now. This is my air pump, if I need it, to blow the fire on. And this is the grill. And there I've got my braai. That's very convenient and nice. Here's a problem. Like that. All my utensils, spades and everything is there under. Okay, so this is my barbecue.